Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the style showdown prizes. So for the first time I won this one. It is a little bit difficult to win, especially if you're against a lot of great fashionistas. Like, I'm up against this fashion mogul and their outfit is incredible. Like, look how amazing their outfit is. But as you can see, it is still up to the audience to vote if we won or not. So you do need to plead your case and just say a lot of nice things to help you get voted to win. And you'll win one item per win, if you understood that. So there's like a set. So I got the gloves first, and hopefully I'll get more of the items as soon as I play this game again. Obviously I will play it later in the day, and hopefully I'll get more items. And yeah, that is it for this video. Here I'll show you what I got. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.